The biggest mistake commuters make is judging a folding e-bike by its top speed rather than its stair climb factor. Here is the math on why weight rules everything. In 2026, the fastest way across a metropolis isn't a car, it's the multimodal multiplier. By combining a train ride with a folding e-bike for the last mile, you eliminate traffic variables entirely. But here is the engineering reality check. Batteries are heavy. While manufacturers claim portability, the average reliable folding e-bike still weighs between 18 and 22 kilograms. If your commute involves lifting the bike, the Brompton Electric C Line remains the king. It sacrifices some range, but its unique fold keeps the dirty chain inside, protecting your suit during rush hour. Conversely, if you rarely lift the bike, the Tern Vektron Gen4 is superior. With the Bosch Smart System and belt drive, it rides like a full-sized vehicle capable of replacing a car for 80-kilometer round trips. The financial argument is where this becomes a weapon. Over 36 months, a high-end $4,000 folder costs significantly less than maintaining a car or even daily ride-sharing. Here is your decision framework. If you board a train daily, buy the Brompton. If you need to haul groceries and only fold for storage, buy the Tern or go cycle G4i. Choose your fold based on your stairs, not your speed.